Start your conversation again. Start your conversation again.
Sir, I'll have to go outside just for 2-3 minutes. So I'll be back in just few minutes.
Take your time.
Peace be upon you, Mr. Safaraz.
Peace be upon you too.
How are you?
I am fine. And what about you?
Thanks for asking. I'm also fine.
Your day was good, wasn't?
Who?
I said, your day today was good, wasn't?
Your day was good today. Or today, your day was good.
Today, your day is good.
Yes, my day was good.
Find out the question. He used was for the first time. He used is for the second time. So you have to follow the same time word.
Today, your day was good, wasn't?
Yeah, my day was good.
Wasn't it?
Wasn't?
Yeah.
What is it?
If you only say wasn't, that's not correct.
You are smiling, wasn't you?
You are smiling. You're using are, the time word are. So you have to use the same time word to ask a question. Aren't you?
Weren't you?
Aren't in present time. You are smiling, present continuous. Use the same time word. Aren't you?
And you were staring at me, weren't you?
Please say, aren't you?
No, he used it in
Okay.
past. Did you
Okay.
speak in past or present? Speak the same sentence.
Present.
You have problem with the time word. I will cut your time from today, don't worry.